Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through our 2018 Nissan Rogue SV Tech that we just got on the lot. This Rogue is finished in a beautiful black paint with a nice charcoal cloth interior. This being the SV Tech, you got some nice little features such as the sunroof here, nice heated seats, and you also have navigation. Coming around to the second row here, second row passengers are blessed with a lot of leg space. These seats do slide forward and back, and you do have backrest adjustability. Rear seat passengers also do have their own vents. Here's a quick image again of the sunroof and of the front. Coming around, one of the nice features for this vehicle is that it has a power tailgate. So as the tailgate comes up, you are welcomed into a large cargo area. Nice flat loading floor makes it very easy to slide items in and out. Speaking of sliding, you do have this nice chrome bumper protection plate. You have a 60/40 second row bench here that folds flat so you could expand the cargo space even more. Nissan has this nice partition system so you could move these two areas here to set up an area for bags. You could lower them to give you a little bit more depth in the cargo area, or you could just leave them stock and plain. Either way, a lot of space. And coming over to the driver's side here, the driver has a little bit more adjustability to their seat with power forward, aft, backrest, height, and lumbar. Another quick little feature here, you have silver roof rails here that you can attach a roof rack to. Window switches, door switches. Down below here on the left side of the steering wheel, you'll see your heated steering wheel button, a very welcomed feature in Toronto and Canada. All-wheel drive lock, so this is an all-wheel drive version of the car. And you have your power tailgate button, and you also have your gas switch to open up the gas cap. Classic Nissan steering wheel here. You have your dashboard functionality controls here. Media on the left, and your forward and back buttons for your media. You have your cruise control buttons here. This vehicle does have adaptive cruise control, so you are able to set a distance on the highway, and it will maintain that distance based on the speed that you have set. This vehicle at the moment has 38,191 kilometers, and a nice little touch to it, does have emergency braking and blind spot monitoring system. Like I said, this car does have navigation, but another bonus with the SV Tech is that it has a 360 monitor, giving you a round view of whatever might be around as you reverse, as you're parking, whatever you need. Another view there of the navigation. You have AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, and this vehicle also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual zone automatic climate control, passengers and drivers can set it and forget it. Down low, you'll see your USB input button, auxiliary input, and you also have your 12-volt outlet. Heated seats are controlled on the right side here, right behind the cup holders. And you have another storage bin here in between where your armrest is with a USB and 12-volt outlet. Nice quick view of the backup camera of the panoramic sunroof again. To top it all off, this amazing SUV comes with remote start. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you one of our nicer value features here on the lot in a compact SUV. Great reviews on the Nissan Rogue, fantastic fuel economy, and loaded with all the practicality that you could ask for. Feel free to reach out to us here at Valley Volkswagen. We're more than happy to answer any questions that you may have, and we look forward to assisting you. Until then, take care.